Hello guys, good day, good Saturday. I will make frikadella and I will show you how to make it. Okay, let's start. Here we go. You need ano tawag nito sa atin? Sa Pinas. Egg round. It's not beef, but pork. Okay? May dalawa ang gagawin ko this time. Kasi, it's good for maybe 15 to 20% yung gagawin ko today. Pero kung konti lang, so this one is enough. Okay? Let's start! Hindi tayo. Goodness! And guys, don't forget the onions, okay? But hindi lahat ito guys. Only one is enough. Okay? Ayan guys. Na-slice ko na yung onions. Tapos, lagyan natin ng milk. Okay. Ooh. And of course, egg. And this one also, guys, raw egg. Okay. So, ito lang, guys, ground pork. At saka itong sliced na onions. At saka 2 eggs. Of course, lagyan ng asin. At saka yung kung may paminta. Okay? Ayan yung guys. Na-mix na siya. Pero mas i-mix mo pa ng maayos. Meron na siyang asin, powder paminta, black pepper, sorry. Yung powdered. Tapos, konting ganito. Para pang additional na lasa. Okay? Mix na siya. And tapos ready na siya. Isalang sa fry pan. Ayun guys. I-fry na natin yung frikadella ko or meatballs. At saka butter ang gagamitin natin. Okay. Ayan guys. Tapos moderate lang ang init. Kasi lagyan natin 7. Ayan. Okay. Ipa-melt natin yung butter. Pag mainit na, saka na natin isalang yung frikadella. Ayan guys. Medyo init na siya. Tapos, yan. You have to use your fingers. Hands, sorry. Hands. Okay? Tapos, small as possible. Kasi, yung kumakain, baka, yan o. Yan guys. Okay? So, there. Tapos, and make sure, of course, wash your hands, guys. That's very important. Ayan o. Okay? Wow. Frikadella. Ayan. I have to make more than 20 pieces as possible. You go? Right. I hope you like my frikadella. Templado na to guys. Ayan. Frikadella. mag-low ako sa heat. Dahil this time I love you even better. Love you in my heart forevermore. This time let's start again. 3, 6, 7, 8. Let's go ahead, merge. Make more. 3. Wow, galing ba? 9. Wow, very good. If may 20 pieces ako, mas good. Better 20 pieces. Ayan, guys. More.